sa mahirap na pamilya. Ayun, pakiliwanag po. Bakit naman? Kanina may ibang sumagot, ngayon ibang sasagot. Ano ba ito? Diba? Hmm.
Madam Chair, because COO are Chief Operating Officers, the one who oversaw all of the increase.
Sige
So
po,
with your
makikinig
permission
po
po,
kami.
thank you po.
Okay,
Salamat
yung
po.
30%, example, pneumonia sinabi po nyo. Dati naman covered na, pero explain to us please. When you increased in February and when you increased the other night, ano pong ibig sabihin nun?
Mr. Chairperson, Honorable Senator Legarda, yung case packages po, all case rates na lang po, isang term lang gamitin, all case rates, ang coverage po ito is lahat ng diseases and lahat ng procedures, lahat ng surgeries na ginagawa. Ito po yung case rates para again sa lahat ng sakit and lahat ng procedures, including surgical procedures na ginagawa sa hospital,